Google is developing a new pair of smart glasses, but don't confuse these with those bulky headsets or a modernized version of the old Google Glass. These aren't flashy or futuristic looking at all. When you first see them, you'd probably just assume they're an ordinary pair of everyday eyeglasses. That subtle, low-key design is completely intentional. These smart glasses are made to blend in seamlessly, with no blinking lights or awkward hardware sticking out. They're sleek, minimal, and super discreet. Honestly, if Shahram Izadi hadn't mentioned them during his presentation, the majority of people wouldn't have even realized that they were looking at smart glasses. However, the real excitement began once the live demonstration kicked off. On stage, Izadi showcased the smart glasses translating spoken Farsi into English instantly, right before the audience's eyes. The translation appeared seamlessly, almost like live subtitles overlaying a real-world conversation. It felt natural, like watching a movie with subtitles, except this happened in real life. Next, Izadi demonstrated another feature. He pointed the glasses at a book and they scanned the pages. Using advanced image recognition technology, the glasses interpreted and processed the content from the printed text. It was a clear example of how the AI behind the glasses could read and understand visual information. Despite the impressive display, Izadi was transparent about the limitations. He openly acknowledged that while the glasses can currently see, listen, and respond, their artificial intelligence is still in its early stages. The capabilities are quite basic for now, but it's a solid foundation with promising potential for future development. However, he didn't stop there. He pushed boundaries even further by introducing a revolutionary upgrade: memory integration. This new feature is nothing short of game-changing. Essentially, the AI built into the glasses can now retain information about what you've previously looked at through them. Imagine that. So, if you're someone who constantly misplaces keys or other everyday items, these smart glasses can retrace your steps visually and help you find them effortlessly. It might sound too good to be true, but it's not. This is real technology and it's on a whole new level of innovation. A big reason these smart glasses feel so incredibly light on your face is that they aren't designed to do everything by themselves. Rather than cramming in all the computing power and hardware components internally, they smartly depend on your smartphone to take on the bulk of the processing work. Tasks that demand more power, such as performing complex calculations, executing AI-driven operations, and handling heavy data processing, are seamlessly managed by your phone. Meanwhile, the glasses themselves function more like a streamlined, intelligent interface, designed to transmit information smoothly between you and your smartphone. This clever setup not only reduces the need for bulky internal hardware, but also ensures that the glasses stay remarkably thin, lightweight, and extremely comfortable to wear throughout the day without causing strain. This is a very strategic move, especially when you compare it to the larger and bulkier XR headsets that other tech companies have recently launched. Google appears to be opting for a more minimalist and streamlined design, emphasizing smart features while maintaining a straightforward and user-friendly approach. This is particularly interesting because it aligns closely with Meta's approach to their Hypernova smart glasses, which similarly focus on simplicity and making the product practical for everyday use. On the other hand, companies like Apple and Samsung are pursuing a more complex strategy by developing highly advanced and feature-rich mixed reality headsets. These headsets are, in essence, compact computers that are worn on the face, providing a high-tech experience but also creating a more cumbersome feel. Google is choosing a very different direction. Instead of trying to impress users with flashy graphics or placing a full-on display right in your face, these smart glasses are designed with practicality in mind. The focus here is on functionality, real-time translation that helps you communicate instantly across languages, and intelligent, context-aware object recognition that identifies things around you on the spot. These features aren't just cool, they're useful in everyday life. At the heart of all this is Gemini 2 AI, which quietly powers the experience. It's what gives the glasses that sleek, futuristic vibe without making it feel like they're trying too hard to be high-tech. At this point, there's still no official release date from Google, and key details like the expected battery life or pricing remain under wrap. We're still waiting for the company to share more specifics. For now, Google has decided to roll out these AR glasses to a limited group of early testers, likely to gather feedback and fine-tune the product before a wider launch. But from everything we've seen so far, whether it's the sleek design, the subtle integration of tech, or the low-profile functionality, it's becoming pretty obvious. This isn't just a random experiment for Google. They're putting real effort and intention behind this. It looks like they're genuinely committed to developing AR glasses that feel natural and fit seamlessly into everyday life. And to be honest, that approach, quietly refining the product instead of hyping it up too soon, might be the smartest move they could make. That's all the latest for now. As soon as there are any new updates or details, we'll fill you in. Until then, stay tuned and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye!